Okay, you see the siding. This is my back garage, but I have the same problem on the house. This is vinyl siding, and I keep getting this green stuff on it. This is on the north side of the house. It's some kind of mold or mildew or algae or whatever, but because this is in the shade all the time, I have a little bit of a problem here. So I'm going to show you what I did to get it off. Follow me. So a lot of people would power wash their siding, and there are some risks to that because you can actually damage the siding. A lot of people would use TSP, and that works great, but you can use something that you have right around the house, which is Dawn dishwashing liquid. It cleans so many things, and what I like about it is it's safe to use around animals and plants. So that's my solution for today. That plus a good old car wash brush will go a long way for cleaning siding. So we're going to throw a little soap in the bucket and make some suds. All right, we've got our bucket of suds and our brush. Let's go clean some siding. All right, I've got my suds and my brush. I'm actually gonna set this right on this shrub here. We're just gonna kind of mop some on. Let me put my bucket down. And then because the siding has a little bit of a grain to it, I'm going to go with the grain. But you can see all that green stuff comes right off. So simple. And it really, really works. All right, I don't have a hose back here by this garage, but I'm going to get another bucket and rinse this off, and I'll show you how good it looks. Okay, I've got my bucket of water. We're gonna rinse. If you're rinsing with a hose, make sure that you rinse down. You may even have to get up on a step stool or a little ladder to do that. You don't wanna force water up under your siding. I'm gonna try to rinse down as well, but here we go. You can see how well that worked on siding. Now this is vinyl siding, and I would expect that it would come clean pretty easily. I've got a tougher challenge over on the deck. Let's go check it out. So now that we know that the Dawn dishwashing liquid works on the siding, the real challenge is this pergola. This thing has been grimy for years. So let's give that a try. Same stuff, just Dawn in water with a car wash brush. Oh my gosh. Look how easily that comes off. Oh my gosh, it takes it right off. I wish I would have known this years ago, because this thing's been bugging me for a long time. That comes right off, and I mean, no amount of rain would wash that down. Let's hit it with the hose. It's a lot better, and it'll take me a little bit of work to get it all off, but I'm definitely going to finish this project. This thing's going to look like new again. All right, you can see that works pretty well. Again, I used Dawn dishwashing liquid because they use it to clean animals after oil spills and stuff like that. So you know it's safe around animals. It doesn't hurt your plants. It does a pretty good job cleaning stuff in the backyard. We did siding and the pergola. There you have it on Jill of All Trades.